Hello, good evening, Dan. Good evening,
Yeah.
good evening, good evening, and welcome again. There is Hundong. Is Hundong still sad?
Hmm.
Hello, hello, Dan and Hundong.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, hello, Dan, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today, Dan?
I'm good.
I'm good, very good. That's good to know. Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And what did you eat for dinner?
I eat rice and soup.
Oh, rice and soup. Wow, that's very delicious. What kind of soup? Is it a vegetable soup,
Uh,
chicken soup?
a vegetable soup.
Oh, it's a vegetable soup. Wow. Do you like vegetables? Do you like
Hello, teacher.
vegetables? Hello, Hundong.
Uh, Tomato.
Oh,
Mm, uh,
tomato. Tomato is your favorite vegetable?
yes.
That's so good because tomato is good for our skin. So if you eat tomato often, it will be good for your skin. Okay. So I think, are you ready? Are you ready for our lesson for today?
Yes.
Okay, so we will just continue our lesson. So our lesson last time is all about, again, what is our lesson all about last time? It's all
Family.
about family. Very good. It's all about family. And before we proceed to continue our lesson, so let's first review the vocabulary words that we have learned last time. So this first one. So again, who is
Mít em biết,
this?
qua con
Or
nói
who
con
is
thì cùng em
she?
biết.
Who is she? She is
Mother. She
very
is
good.
mother.
Very good. She is mother.
Mother,
Next. Next one, the second one. Who is he?
He is a father.
Very good. So
father,
he is father. And what do we call by mother and father? What do we call them?
Parents.
Parents. Very good. So they are our
parent,
parents. And next, how about this boy or this man? Who is he?
He is
Yes.
grandfather.
Okay, very good. He is grandfather. And next one,
She is grandmother.
very good. She is
grandmother,
grandmother. And what do we call our grandmother and grandfather?
Parents.
Yes, yes, that's right. Grand what? Grand.
Grandparents.
Okay, very good. Grandparents. So we call them grandparents. And next, who is this boy?
Brother.
Brother. Very good.
He
brother,
He
is brother.
is brother. And who is she?
She is sister.
Very good. She
sister,
is sister. And who are they? Who are these two people?
uh, Husband and wife.
Okay, very good. So
sister,
husband and wife. And next, who are they? Do you still remember? This is
Family.
this is our family, or this is our, what do you call that? This is our family that is the daughter or son of our
Uh,
uncle and aunt.
Uncle and aunts.
Yes, who is what do we call their daughter or son? What do we call by the family that is the daughter or son of our aunt or uncle?
Wow, có bài giảng cấp 8
What do we
kìa.
call them? Starts with letter C.
Bài giảng top 6 truyền hình kìa.
For example, your brother.
Cousin.
Yes, very good. Good job.
Sister.
This is cousin. Yes, so we call them cousins. These are our brothers or sisters from our aunt or uncle. Okay. So now let's start our review for this vocabulary that we had learned. I think there is game here, and you will just choose the correct answer. So this one, let's look at the first picture. What is
Wow,
it?
cô chủ kìa. Đẹp trai quá à. Brother. No.
What's your answer? Is it mother,
Brother.
sister, father, or brother? Is it?
Brother.
Okay, very good, brother. So next,
Huh? Yes.
who
Uh,
is he?
grandfather.
Okay, very good. Next,
Gì
who
Sister.
is
Or
who is
mother.
she?
Sister.
Okay, let's check.
Sister.
Very good. She is mother. Next,
She is sister.
she is sister. Very good. Next one.
She is grandmother.
Okay, very good. Grandmother. Next.
He is father.
He is father. Okay, wow. So good job. I can see that I can see that you understand most of the family that we have, or especially the family that we have. So now let's move on to our reading and question. So we have here a story and we will answer some question after that. So can you please read the story that we have here? Can you please first read the title?
Albert talks about her family. Hello, my name is Albert. I am from Australia. I am 24 years old. I am a doctor. Cambodia. I live in a small house in Sydney.
Okay.
I live. I live with my grandmother, my parents, and my younger sister. My grandmother is married and she is 82 years old, but she is still strong. Her hobby is reading books and listening to the radio. My dad is Peter, and he is 50 years old. He is a teacher at a pri-
It's
primary
yes, very good.
primary school.
Okay,
He
very good.
loves sports and music. His favorite sport is football and his favorite type of music is rock. My mom is Linda and she is 48 years old. She is a teacher at a high school. She loves helping students. Her hobbies are painting and watching films. My younger sister is a student at secondary school. She loves dancing. My family is very happy. I love my family.
Okay, very good. So again, let's read this word. So this one. So can you please again read this one?
Signy.
Okay. Nice try. So this one is, we read it as Sydney. Sydney.
Sydney.
Yes. Yes, it is a city in or from Australia. So Sydney, Australia. So that is one of the places that we have in Australia. So now let's now answer the questions that we have here. So can you please read our first question?
Tell me something about Albert, her name, age, and work.
Okay, so can you tell me something about Albert based on the story that we have? What
Mm,
what is her name? What is her age? And what is her work?
uh, her name is Albert.
Mhm.
Um, she is 24 years old.
Okay,
She is a doctor.
very good. She is a doctor. So that is her name, age, and work. So very good. So next, let's move on to our second question.
How how many people are there in her family?
Okay, so how many? Based on her story.
Um, her there are four
The-
people
okay, there are.
in her family.
Very good. There are four people in her family. Are you sure? How about her grandmother?
Bốn, bốn,
So how many? What?
hai.
Including her grandmother. There are
There are one grandmother.
grandmother, her dad,
Uh,
her
that
mom,
her mom, her younger
sis,
sister.
and her and Albert. So how many are they? They are
Five, five.
five. Very good. So there are five people in her family. So again, so she has her grandmother,
Has
mom,
her
and
dad,
dad,
mom, dad, our younger sister,
and then and
and
Albert.
uh,
Okay, very good. So next, let's have the next question.
how old is our father? What does he do?
Okay. How old is her father and what does he do?
My her father is uh, 50 years old.
Okay, very good. 50 years old. And what does he do?
Uh, he is a teacher at a param, pi,
Okay, let's
pi,
let's say primary. It's okay. Primary.
primary
Very good.
school.
Very good. So her father is 50 years old and he is a teacher at a primary school. So very good. So nice. Okay. So next, how about her grandmother? How old is her grandmother and what is her or what are her hobbies?
Her grandmother is um 82 years old.
Okay. What does she do or what are her hobbies?
Um, her hobby is reading books and listening to the radio.
Okay, very good. So for this one, since we have two hobbies, so we instead of using is, so we will use are. So her hobbies are
Or
read, reading books and
reading books
listen.
and listening to the radio.
Okay, very good. So again, if we talk about two things, instead of using he is, this one is actually this one is
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, this sentence is grammatically incorrect. So instead of using is, we will use are. And instead of using hobby, we will say hobbies. Okay, so that's it. Very good. And next, for our last question, can you read our last question?
Uh,
Can you read the last question? Tell me.
her teacher uh, is a student at
Mhm,
secondary school.
mhm. And what does she do or what does she loves?
She loves dancing.
Okay, very good. So she loves dancing. So good job. So those are the things that or the family that Albert has. How about you, Lindan? So let's make these questions about you. So can you tell me something about yourself, your name, age, and if you are
Work.
working or studying? So about you.
Mm,
Can you tell me
My
about
name
Okay, go.
is Lindan.
Okay.
I am uh, 15 years old.
Okay.
I am a student.
Okay, very good. That's so nice. And how many people are there in your family?
My family have 4 people.
Four people. And who are those four people?
Dad, mom, me, and younger brother.
Okay, very good. And how old is your father? And what does your father do?
Um, my father is
Mhm.
43 years old.
Okay, 43 years old. And what
He,
does he do?
um, he is police,
He is a
police, policeman.
mm, oh, okay. He is policeman. Very good. Next, how about your grandmother? How old is your grandmother?
Um, my grandmother is 62 years old.
Okay. And what are your grandmother's hobbies?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's okay. How about your mother? Let's go with your mother. How old is your mother and what does she do?
Mm, Uh,
Your mother. My mother?
my mother is uh 38 years old.
Oh, 38 years old. What does she do?
Uh, she is a nurse.
Okay, she is a nurse. Very good. And now, can you tell me something about your brother or younger brother?
Um, my younger brother is Huỳnh Đông.
Mm-hmm. How old is Hundong?
Um, he is 8 years
Mm,
old.
8 years old. And what is Hundong's hobbies or what are Hundong's hobbies?
Um, he's hobbies or uh, um, eat noodles
Okay, eat noodles.
and watch watch TV.
Okay, let's use his hobbies are eating
Eating
noodles
and
and
watching TV.
watching noodles, watching TV. Okay, very good. So he likes noodles.
Yes.
Oh, okay, so good job. So those are the things about our family. So very good, good job. So now let's go to the words that we have here that are highlighted. So let's go first with this one. So can you please read this word?
Australia.
Okay, very good. So Australia, as what we know, so Australia is a big country in the world. So for this one, Dan, do you have a dream on going to Australia or traveling to Australia? Do you dream to
Hmm.
travel in Australia?
No.
I know. What is the country that you want to travel to in the future?
Hmm. I think the future. Uh, I travel like the UK.
Okay. Oh, UK. And why? Why do you want to go to United Kingdom?
Because I want to um meet idol.
Who's your idol? Who's your idol
Um,
in UK?
Mr. Bean.
Who is?
Mr. Bean.
Mr.
Mr. Bean.
Bean. Oh, this one? Okay, let me show. Mr. Bean? Is it?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Bean.
Really? Yeah.
Yes.
Mr. Bean is also my idol because he is a very good comedian. And also, I think Mr. Bean is right now is very old, right?
Yes.
Mr. Bean is old. That's why his hair is white. Oh, I see. So, yeah, Mr. Bean is in United Kingdom. Wow, that's so nice. I thought you want to see the royalties. My teacher. I thought you want to see the royalties that we have in United Kingdom because they have princess, king, queen in United Kingdom, right? You know that. They have a royal family. In United Kingdom, they have royal family. They have king, queen, prince, princess. Do you know that? In
No.
no, United Kingdom. So those in United Kingdom, we can see also the royal family. So they have their kings, queens, prince, princess. So I think Prince Queen Elizabeth lives in United Kingdom. This one. So she is the queen of the United Kingdom. And this is King. King, I'm not familiar with them, but yeah, they are the this one is or this one are the prince. These two. They are the prince in United Kingdom. And
Princess.
yes, these are their
I
wife.
princess.
Yes, so they are the princess. So yeah, I thought you know that. The
Uh,
royalty family.
uh, I I understand king and queen. I don't I don't know princess.
Ah, so prince and princess are the like son or daughter of the queen or king. That's why they are called prince and princess. So that is why. Okay, so those wow, that's United Kingdom is a very good country because it is well maintained, and also there we can also see there Mr. Bean. Okay, so good job for this one. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next word, this one.
Doctor.
Okay, do you have any idea what a doctor is?
Mm, no.
No, are you sure? Your mother
Yes.
is a your mother is a
Um,
nurse.
nurse. At do with doctor.
Yes, very good. So nurse works with doctor. They are the one who assists doctors, and doctors are the one who helps sick people. Yes, so those are doctor. So next, this one. Can you please read this one? Listening.
Uh, Listening to the radio.
Okay, very good. So when we say listening to the radio, it means hearing music or news from the radio. Um, have you tried listening to a radio before,
No.
Dan?
No.
No. Okay, in the Philippines here, it is very popular listening to the radio because we listen to some stories, news in the radio. Okay, so next, let's have the next word or highlighted word.
Primary school.
Okay, very good. So when we say, are you familiar with primary school? No. When we say
So,
primary school, it is a school for young children, like for Hundong. So he can, is he going to school right now,
uh,
Hundong?
class one, uh, or five, or
Mm.
two, three, four, five.
Okay, yes, that is primary school. So in this one, Albert's father, he is a teacher at a primary school. How about you? Did you study before in a primary school?
No. Did you
No,
study?
in primary school. I think primary school is what you have said. Primary school grade levels. Let's see. Yeah, so it is kindergarten to grade 6. That is primary
Grade
school. Have you gone to a primary school before?
Yes.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. So kindergarten, grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is primary school. So next, let's have sports. This one, sports. Are you familiar with the word sports?
Uh, I
Yes. What can you
yes.
can you give can you give examples? The sports that you have in Vietnam?
Uh, Basketball in Vietnam
Basketball,
have basketball, volleyball, swimming,
swimming,
running, walking, bicycle,
bicycle.
uh,
How about football? Football.
football,
Is tennis? Do you know tennis?
badminton,
Oh, badminton. So badminton is the one that's famous.
uh,
Okay, very good. Those are the sports. Those are the games. Okay. So next, let's have favorite sport. What is your favorite sport?
my favorite sport is are swimming
Oh, swimming and
and running.
okay, that's a good sport. How about your favorite kind of music?
My favorite kind of music is uh, K-pop.
Oh, K-pop. Oh, you like K-pop also. I also like K-pop. Wow, that's so good. Okay, so now let's move on to this one, high school. So when we say high school, it is a school for older children. Like for example, grade 7 up to grade 10.
Oh,
That is high school. So next, let's have painting. When we say painting, it is making pictures with color.
oh,
Yes.
oh.
And our last one, secondary school. A school, it is also a school for teenagers. I think it's in grade 11 up to grade 12. That. Okay. So that's it. So dancing, I think you know this word, dancing. When we say dancing, it is what we do when we listen to music, so we dance. Okay, so I think that's it for our lesson about family. So good job. So good job. So for you to be able to review the lesson that we have, so just review it and also try to answer this quiz, this one. Okay, but it's okay if you have results or not. Okay, so just review yourself with the lesson that we have. Okay. So thank you
Yes.
very much for your time today, Dan, and see you again soon. Thank you so much. Thank you, and bye bye. Can you click the link?
But, uh,
Oh, you can.
I
I
don't.
know.
I can say. I say.
I see. Okay, you can click the link. So bye bye. I will end the meeting now.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye. Thank you so